Canvas is a new design tool from ScreenCloud that lets you create on-brand notices, signs, and posters for your digital signage screens. Canvas is free for all ScreenCloud users and can be found in our App Store. Canvas is super easy to use and lets you create screen-ready posters, signs, and graphics that are the right size for your digital signage screens. Using Canvas means all of your content is always on brand. Upload your own images and logos, and choose your brand colors and fonts. Design beautiful content using shapes, and move or resize items to help create your perfect poster or notice. Once saved, your content can be refreshed or edited at any time without having to start from scratch. So it's easy to make instant changes to your digital signage screens. To use Canvas app, try a free trial of ScreenCloud today at screencloud.com/free trial.